Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be guiding you through how to find account number on PayPal. Those of you out there who are looking for your account number on PayPal, remember that PayPal does not provide users with a traditional account number like those associated with bank accounts. Your account is identified by the email address that you log in with. So, whenever it comes to receiving funds using your PayPal account, you can ask the sender to send the payment to the confirmed email address registered on your PayPal account. Simply launch Open PayPal application and then log into your account. After you are inside the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. You'll be able to see your email address right beneath your name at the top left. So, that is the email address that serves as your primary identifier for receiving funds. Whenever someone sends you money, they'll need to type in your email that is provided right underneath your name, and that can be used as an account number or your primary identifier for PayPal. If you found the video to be informative, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.